Hello everyone. Let us see question number 22. That is ninth main question. Answer the following questions. In that 22, balance the following equations. They have given three chemical equations and we have to balance that equation. First one, Mg plus N2 gives MgN2 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Mg plus N2 gives Mg3N2. Now, only one magnesium is present in reactant side, but in product side, 3 magnesium atoms are present. Therefore, here I have to write 3. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. I can't write 3 here. This is wrong method. I have to write 3 in this position only. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರಿಬೇಕು 3ನ. ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇದೇ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Then N2, yes, N2. Here also 2N2, here also 2N2. This is balanced. What about second one? NaOH plus H2SO4 gives Na2SO4 sodium sulfate plus water H2O. Now, how many sodium in reactant side? Only one. But in product side there are 2 sodium. Therefore, I have to write 2 NaOH. Now, let us check for S. S1 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ S1 ಇದೆ. Okay, it is balanced. What about oxygen? 4 plus 1, 5 oxygen ಇದೆ. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 2 oxygen plus 4. How many? 6 oxygens. 6 ಆಯ್ತು ಈ ಕಡೆ. So, I have to balance. ಹೇಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಓಕೆ, ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 2 ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ಸ್. 5 ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 2 ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 4 ಆಯ್ತಾ? 2 ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ 4 ಆಯ್ತು. Now, what about oxygen? 2 oxygen, 4 plus 2 oxygen, 6 ಆಯ್ತು. Here, 2 plus 4, 6 oxygen, right? Therefore, this is balanced. ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. Last. Na2SO4. Na2SO4. And last one is AlOH gives Al2O3 plus H2O. In this case, how many aluminium? In reactant side, there is only 1 aluminium, but in product side, 2 aluminium. Therefore, I have to write here 2Al. Then, aluminium is balanced. What about oxygen? 3 plus 1, 4 oxygen in product side. Here, 3 2s are 6 oxygen in reactant side. Therefore, I have to write here 3 plus 3, 6 oxygen. 3 2s are 6 oxygen. What about oxygen in reactant side? 3 2s are 6 oxygen in reactant side and 3 2s are 6 oxygen in product side. All the 3 reactions are balanced. Thank you.